What's going on, YouTube? Let's get it. Sunday, and it's fun day. Tomorrow's gonna be Monday, and let's get into the weekly analysis here. I know a lot of people have been wondering about this. Let's dive down to this. Anyways, based on what I was predicting for last week, it went the way that I was anticipating. So, really strong bullish engulfing candle breaking out for the US dollar index here. So the DXY, and this is on tradingview.com. It's free. Go check it out for yourself. This is what I'm utilizing right now, and this is what I've been showing you guys. So go check it out. Anyways, as of right now, I'm looking for the US dollar to keep going on this bullish momentum and to keep forward on the 97 and the 97.5, and then maybe we'll see if it wants to test 98. There's a lot of concerns going on with the political events with Trump and China with the tariff talks again. So we'll see what the trade talks does with the US dollar. So be prepared for that during New York sessions. And then we'll see how if he plans to announce anything for what is it? There's something else. So what? Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to pause this video. Someone's coming to pick up the king bed. I'm back. Had to help this guy move this bed. But anyways, let's get back into here. So we're back here at the US dollar, and oh, I don't know what I just did here. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so back here looking at the US dollar, like I said, bullish engulfing candle on the weekly for the weekly close for last week on Friday. The pound, based on this, the pound looks like it wants to keep going. So you can see the bulls came right back up, closing back up here, and it's above. What I was looking for was gold to close down and break 1300, and then that would be my strong point on selling it all the way back down to maybe like 1280, 1270. So gold could go, like I said, gold has not really been correlating with the US dollar or with any other US dollar pairs. So be mindful of that and make sure that you are looking at gold at that chart. Not on the weekly, but I would suggest, you know, if you're holding out that trade, whether you're swinging it for the whole week, you know, you're gonna have to start looking maybe at the 1 hour and the 4 hour and do your analysis on this. But based on what I see right now, gold could end up going back up, and could ultimately, based on what I see for gold, is that the pinpoint of this structure to break and retest 1350. So once it breaks 1350, we could see a massive bullish move. Let's see here. Where's this other? My next price would be 1400. Once it breaks 1400, then we could see another strong move, because once it breaks 1400, I mean the previous highs here, you got set up here for 1480. What was this one? Above like 1620. And then, I mean, pretty much you'd be shooting for 1800 long term. So that's what I see right now. USDJPY. Based on what I see right now, USDJPY is the opposite for gold. So even though USDJPY is going up, that doesn't mean it's going to go up with the US dollar. Gold and USDJPY has been acting indifferently in in correlation with US dollar. So I don't want to make it seem like confusing anybody. Based on this last week's candle that closed down, I was looking for it to break above 110, which it did, but it didn't close. It didn't close the 110. So closed below 110. So we could probably end up seeing this structure being a sell and end up just being targeting the 109 or maybe maybe back to 1085 right here. Never know. So what I see right now, and we'll see how strong Bank of Japan is for this week. USD CAD, bullish engulfing candle. I'd be looking to keep buying USD CAD, to be honest. USD Swiss franc, probably not. I mean, it looks like almost another setup for. I was looking for this to keep going. It did. It is above $1, but it's not really moving fast pace. If you know what I'm saying. And so I know the markets are open, but kind of have to really dive down and see where this next weekly candle might end up going. And you can see it's actually pushing down pretty hard right now. Look at that setup, boy. Only 30 minutes in, it's already pushing down. That's a massive move right now. So anyways, that is a massive move. That's pretty massive right now. Wow, holy crap. Okay, things are going a little crazy right now. Okay, anyways, Euro. Bearish engulfing candle. I'm looking to keep selling Euro. My next target would be 112. I want to see this structure get broken right here at the 112. Overall, it's been stuck here under 115. It needs to break above 115 and close above 115 for me to reconsider. You know, that's just my point of view. For me to reconsider holding it out, you know, for 117 and 118. So very important to pay attention to these candlestick structures here. The pound. Pound has been the pound took a hit going down for this week. For last week. And so now, basing on this last week's previous candle here, I might end up buying the pound as a retracement for this week, regardless of what the Brexit deal is or political events with the pound. And so it did a major retracement, a major pullback on Friday. So I'm looking for it to buy maybe today, maybe for a couple of days, or maybe the whole week. Now, that doesn't mean I'm going to buy Euro, and that doesn't mean I'm going to buy Australia and New Zealand. The pound has been moving on its own against the dollar or with the dollar, so it doesn't matter. So you're going to have to be mindful about that and look at, you know, where the pound might end up shooting itself up again or back down again, because there's so much market volatility between the pound due to the Brexit deal and whatever's going on with Parliament in the UK, to be honest. Australia, bearish engulfing candle. Same thing with New Zealand on the weekly. I'm looking to sell them for the week. So you don't have to take my word for it. I'm just letting you know what my thoughts are and what I plan on doing for this week. So, and that's it. That's it, guys. That's all I got for you guys. So, what I was gonna say, I don't know how I was figuring out what I was gonna say. But anyways, thanks for tuning in, and I wish you guys much success for this week of Forex trading. And you know, today's Sunday. Don't get too excited what's going on. I mean, just because the market's open doesn't mean you just want to hop in and be like, oh, I'm gonna go all in because of what I'm seeing right now. Have some kind of action plan, financial plan. You gotta have the action plan, financial plan. You gotta have the discipline, the mindset behind it. Without that, you're going nowhere. And so you gotta have something, right? So you gotta have some specific goals, you know, especially in Forex. And that's in anything in life too. So that's it. So stay motivated, stay hydrated, and don't get caught up in the markets, and don't get caught up staring at the charts all day looking at nothing too. So Be honest about that. So, peace.